Good day, everyone. I am Ginezal Jurial. Today, I am going to share with you one of cultural practices in our locality. But before that, let us first define culture. According to Villa et al. In 1993, culture can be identified as one view which includes expressions, symbols, customs, morals, values, attitudes, beliefs created and communicated among individuals, and it passed down from generation as cultural traditions. One of our most celebrated traditions is the Kahimunan Festival, which shows our unity and devotion as Bayuganons. The Kahimunan Festival is celebrated every third Sunday of January. In honor of the Santo Niño, the word Kahimunan means gathering in the Manobo language. It is a cultural practice that brings people together through dancing, music, and prayer to thank God for blessings. Importance: it preserves our Manobo culture and tradition. It strengthens faith and unity among people, and it shows our identity as joyful and grateful Bayuganon. The Kahimunan Festival is a symbol of faith, unity, and cultural pride in Bayugan City. Let us continue to honor and celebrate our traditions. Viva Senior Santo Niño! Viva Kahimunan!